Hey, our friends, I'm super excited because today I got a special guest. It's my youngest little girl. What's your name? I. Say baby. Can you say baby? Yeah, that's your name. Well, Olivia is her name. How old are you? Can you do your bunny ears? Two. Two. Two fingers. Yeah, two. I'm super excited because we've never done a lesson with her. It's the first time, and we're going to see if we could draw a bee. We're going to just use simple shapes because she's only 2. And so this is a great lesson for young artists. All right, you ready to draw?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're using oil pastels from Faber-Castell. I'm going to use the oil pastels. And Olivia is using beeswax crayons from Faber-Castell, and instead of using Sharpies or permanent markers. And I love that you've already started. Give me 5. You did such a good job on your bee. She is always so excited to draw. I can hardly ever, I can never stop her. She just, anytime she sees a crayon or something to draw with, she just asks for paper. She has to draw. And so it's been fun teaching her and drawing with her. And one of my other favorite things too about Olivia is that she's left-handed, if you haven't already noticed. That's so cool. You get little circles.
Yeah.
We've been working on our circles, haven't we? I think one of the most important things to remember when you're drawing with your kids is to remind them that the most important thing is to have fun and to also let them do whatever they want. If they want to draw circles on the paper, it's okay. It's okay to draw circles. But we're going to try. Oh, that's mine. You're drawing with mine. Good.
And mine.
No, these ones are yours over here.
And mine.
Okay, we can trade. That's all right. Olivia, what colors do we have? What color is this?
Black.
Yeah, black. And what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow, yeah. And we're going to use these 2 colors. That's another thing that you can do when you're drawing with really young artists is just use limited colors just for fun, just to see if they can switch between the 2 colors and then also follow along with you and use the same color.
Mine.
Oh, you want to trade now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to use these. Okay.
Mine.
Olivia, we're going to try to use our black. Can you get your black? Get your black one and put your yellow one down. Can you put your yellow one? Put your yellow one up here. There you go. Okay, watch me. I'm going to draw a big oval. Can you draw an oval really big in the middle? Yeah, you did it. Look at that. You did a great job. Give me 5. You did awesome. Okay, now we're going to draw a little dot for the eye. Can you do a little dot? Can you put it inside the circle right there? Yes. Good job. Okay, now we're going to add lines. Yes, you did a line. Good job. Now, do you want to try to put a line inside the circle? There you go. 2 lines. Yeah, you did it. I'm going to draw another one just like you. Look at this. I got lines. You got lines too. Okay, what's our bee missing? Do you know what our bee is missing? Wings.
Wings.
Yeah, so what's this? Watch, Livy. Oh, you did perfect. That looks like a wing. Okay, watch me. I'm going to draw a big bump like that on my bee. Do you want to do a big bump up here? Yeah. Do you want to do another one right next to it?
Another one.
Another one right here for another wing. And you can also do, watch this, we're going to do a little stinger on the end. That's the ouchie. Do a little stinger right here. Yeah, good job. Yeah, let's switch. Okay, we're going to put our black down, and then we're going to use our yellow. Do you want to put your black? Put your black up here, and then we're going to use our yellow. And then let's color our bee. Right here. Color your bee up here. Look at me. Coloring my bee. You want to color your bee? Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Color lots. Look at it. You want to color lots? Keep coloring. Color more. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's one of my favorite things is to draw along with Olivia. And the most important thing is to have fun. Seriously, it's okay that she doesn't do it exactly the same as me. In fact, I think it's more important that she does it her own way, right? Now I'm gonna finish my bee. I'm gonna color the stripes. And whoa, look at that. And I'm also gonna color this stripe. And look, I'm gonna color the stinger too. And if you have a 2-year-old or a really young artist that you're having fun drawing with, be sure to take a photo of their art too, because we want to see how awesome their artwork. Oh yeah, we want to see how awesome their artwork turns out. And I'll be sure to post her art on Instagram too. And we'll see you guys later. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I love you. Can I have a kiss?